What's up you guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video it's going to be a giveaway video, and I'm also going to be showing you two new parts that I did get for my 2018 Toyota Tacoma. This is honestly something that I'm super excited about, and I'll show you guys why in the next clip. Let's go ahead and get into the video and I'll show you what I have. Alright you guys, so as you guys all know, I do like doing giveaway videos. So in today's video, I am going to be doing, of course, another giveaway. It is going to be something small, nothing major, but if you guys do have a lot of wire harnesses and stuff like that, so you have a lot of light bars and just a bunch of stuff, and it carries relays, so stay until the end of the video and I'll show you just exactly how you can win this part that's going to really benefit you. So the first product that I did get, which is in back of me, it's probably already installed on my vehicle by the time you guys see this video, so it's a little bit backwards. But what that is, it's just a awning. I believe it's a 6x6 awning from YesCom, and it is a different kind of off-brand, you could say. And the reason I did that was because I wanted to purchase from a smaller company rather than like ARB and Smittybilt, because I know they do make awesome products regardless. But I did want to try this one out because there wasn't many videos on it and there wasn't many reviews. So like I said, I've put this on probably by the time you guys seen this video, so you guys know what an awning is on my PRINSU rack. I will be doing a review video down the road just to see if it did last or not, because I'm going to be trying it out. The next thing that I'm seriously super excited about that just came today, I honestly have to thank Bestop for this one. It is a Bestop Super Top Soft Top. Everybody's going with the Overland build, of course, you know, which is with a bed rack and stuff like that, you know, so that way you could run an RTT, a rooftop tent, or other people have gone with hard shells, you know, for their Tacomas. So as for me, I'm gonna be going soft top on mine. Like I said, I want to do my build differently. And I'm honestly super excited about it. I will be doing an install video on the Bestop Super Top very soon, and it's going to be in-depth as always. So if you guys want to stay tuned to that, go ahead and stay tuned. And once we do the installation video, weeks later, I'm going to go ahead and do a review video as well. The reason why is because there's not a lot of installation videos on that as well, and there's not a lot of review videos as well. So I can't really show you what it is, but I'll show you what the box it comes in. I'm super happy. I can't wait to get this installed. I can't wait to show you guys. And if you guys have been wanting to do this same install, stay tuned for the video, because like I said, I'm going to go in depth on just exactly how to install it, as I always try to do in every video. So that's pretty much it for today's video, you guys. I just wanted to go ahead and update you guys. And I know a lot of people are always like, damn, how much more can you throw in your Tacoma? Believe me, you guys, if you guys own a Tacoma, or if you guys are familiar with them, there's endless parts you can buy for these trucks. It's kind of like owning a Jeep. If you guys are a Jeep owner, you guys know there's so many parts available for them. It's endless. So believe me, these two parts, it's not going to be the end of this. I still have some more stuff in my room waiting to be installed. I'm not going to share with you guys what that is, but just know there's more stuff coming to this channel. Alright you guys, so if you guys did stay until the end of the video, you guys are interested on this free giveaway, of course. As always, it's going to be really easy to win. I never make my giveaways hard because I really do appreciate you guys, but I want to make it fair and I can't give every single person something. So I'm going to make it easy. Today what I have is a Cali raised relay relocation bracket. So this goes inside your engine compartment, which I'll throw a picture of right here right now, just that way you guys know what I'm talking about. With this little bracket, you could put all your relays up to 3 on this bracket, so it makes it for a nice clean install whenever you have a lot of wire harnesses in your engine compartment. So it just makes it a lot cleaner and it looks nice. If you guys do want to purchase this, it will be in the description box below. But if you guys do want to enter on winning one of these bad boys, this is all you literally have to do. 1, of course, be subscribed. 2, go ahead and share this video or share any of my videos. The reason why is because the day we hit 11,000 subscribers, that's when I'll give this away. So go ahead and try and share my videos with your friends, with your family, with anybody out there. Let's go ahead and hit that goal, and once we do, I'll go ahead and announce the winner. So just in the comment section below, just put enter me, and that just shows that you did those things. So let's go ahead and do that. Please help us grow. The more I grow, the better giveaways I can do for you guys. Believe me, I have a lot of stuff planned. See you guys next time. please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
JesseRizo.